Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of April, 2025, our system has categorized SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.2. Let us examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Surprisingly, the exchange-traded fund has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.13%. This equates to an average return of 0.07% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -14.21% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -20.79% to -10.14%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 11.46%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from 5.52% to 31.99% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimate between $555.38 and $694.71. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price up 0.131% on Thursday. The SPY ETF price gained 0.131% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, rising from $525.66 to $526.35. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.39%, with a low of $523.91 and a high of $531.19. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.93% for this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 4 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 75 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $39.41 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, and the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price is 14.17%, or $86.88, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Investor sentiment surrounding the Standard & Poor's 500 and the SPDR Standard & Poor's 500 ETF Trust, SPY, continues to shift negatively as new concerns about trade and economic stability emerge. Recent comments from notable market strategists indicate a cautious outlook. Katie Stockton of Fairlead Strategies has moved away from technology stocks, citing a persistent loss of momentum in the Standard & Poor's 500 that could last through 2025 and beyond. This sentiment is echoed by analysts predicting a potential drop in the Standard & Poor's 500, suggesting it could slide up to 2,000 points if tariffs negatively impact the economy. The broader market also reflects unease, with major indices showing signs of fear and uncertainty. The technology sector, particularly hard hit by trade pressures and poor earnings outlooks, is dragging down SPY's performance. Notably, Nvidia announced a substantial write-down due to new trade restrictions, which reverberated across related technology stocks, sparking concerns about the resilience of the tech-heavy index. In the short term, this negative market sentiment, alongside high-profile analyst downgrades to Standard & Poor's targets, could lead to increased volatility and downward pressure on SPY. Conversely, long-term investors might still find opportunities through strategic ETF investments, particularly those focusing on steady income and diversification. Yet, The lingering fears around economic growth and trade relations may continue to cloud the market outlook, making it essential for investors to navigate these challenges carefully. Ultimately, SPY's trajectory will depend on mitigating current risks and the emergence of stronger economic signals that can restore confidence. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, with a rise of 6.02% observed so far. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, and these could impact the short-term outlook. The SPY ETF currently reflects sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $533.70 and $554.44. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence (MACD). Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $524.58. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $7.28, or 1.39%. In the last week, the daily average volatility was 2.02%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $536.70. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $524.58. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and as of now, no stop loss has been established. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF holds several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Our evaluation of this ETF remains negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we expect the SPY ETF to open higher by 0.8% and begin trading at $527.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.